Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Herzal.
And I'm Jake. Thank you for being here with us today.
Today's episode is going to feel very real.
Yes, because instead of only teaching, we're going to show you a full discussion.
A long conversation with different opinions, interruptions, and emotions.
Just like real life.
And while you listen, try to notice how people speak.
When they are clear and when they are not.
So get comfortable, maybe take your coffee.
And let's step into today's conversation. Emma, okay, are we ready to start?
I think so. Yeah, let's do it.
Finally. So the question is simple. Should we continue working from home, or come back to the office full-time?
I'll be honest. I think working from home is better.
Why?
Because it's more comfortable. That's not enough. Wait, let me finish. I think working from home is better because it saves time. For example, I don't spend 2 hours in traffic every day.
Okay, that's clear. I understand your point, but I disagree.
Already?
Yes. I think working in the office is better.
Same here. Why?
Because it improves communication. For example, when we are together, we can talk quickly and solve problems faster.
Exactly. I don't think that's always true.
Why not?
Because online tools work well too. Not the same.
Guys, one at a time. Noah, go ahead.
Okay. I think working in the office is better because people focus more. For example, at home, there are too many distractions. That depends on the person.
No, it's common.
Let me speak.
Yes, Liam.
I think people can also focus at home if they create a good routine. For example, I have a quiet space, and I work better there.
But not everyone has that. That's true.
Can I ask something?
Go ahead.
What about teamwork? What about it? Don't you think teamwork is stronger in the office? Not necessarily.
I think it is.
Let me explain. I think teamwork depends on communication, not location. For example, if the team communicates clearly online, it can still work well.
That's an interesting point. I see your point, but I still think face-to-face communication is stronger.
Same. Okay, but let's be realistic.
What do you mean?
I mean, people also waste time in the office. That's true.
Okay, yes, sometimes.
For example, long coffee breaks, unnecessary meetings.
That happens.
Wait, but that's not the main point. Let me finish.
Yes, let him finish.
My point is, both sides have problems.
Okay. I agree with that. Good. Now we're moving forward. Let's slow down. I think we're talking, but not clearly.
Yeah, it's getting messy.
Let's try something simple. What? Each person speaks with structure. Point, reason, example.
That might help. Okay, let's try.
Sophia, go first. Okay. I think working in the office is better because it improves teamwork. For example, when we are together, we can solve problems faster. Good.
Clear.
Noah?
I think the office is better because it reduces distractions. For example, at home, people check their phones more often.
Nice. Liam?
I think working from home is better because it saves time and reduces stress. For example, I feel more relaxed when I don't commute.
Very good. This actually feels better.
Yeah, more clear. Less fighting.
Exactly. Now let's go deeper. What about flexibility?
That's important.
Yes.
Okay, I'll start. I think flexibility is important because people work differently. For example, some people work better in the morning, others at night. I agree with that.
Me too. So maybe the answer is not one or the other.
What do you mean?
I mean a mix. Hybrid. Yes.
That actually makes sense. Yeah. I like that idea.
Me too. So let's say it clearly. I think a hybrid system is best because it gives flexibility and maintains teamwork. For example, we can work from home some days and come to the office for meetings.
That sounds like a good solution. Agreed.
Yes, I agree.
Wow, we actually solved it. Without fighting.
That's new. So what changed?
We listened more. We didn't interrupt.
And we used structure. Exactly.
So, what did you notice?
At the beginning, the conversation felt chaotic.
People interrupted each other.
They reacted quickly, without structure.
But later,
They slowed down.
they used clear sentences.
Point, reason, example.
And everything became easier to understand.
So here's your challenge.
Think of a simple topic.
Say your opinion clearly.
Use point, reason, example.
Say it out loud,
That's how you build confidence.
not by staying silent.
But by speaking, little by little.
If you enjoyed this kind of episode,
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
and share it with someone learning English. We'll be here with you, step by step.
Bye.